Do you get headaches or maybe a real tight neck from stress? Maybe you've been on the computer too long and you just feel like your head is too stuffy. Well, this exercise I'm going to share with you is great for that. It's one of my favorite exercises. I am Titanya and these are your everyday energy minutes. So it's a little bit of a long one, so I want you to sit down, get comfortable, and do it with me. So, first of all, let's just get centered. And you're going to drop your head to one side. And you're going to take your hand on that side and push on the side of your head as your head pushes down to your hand. And breathe in and hold your breath. And then let go. And again, breathe in as you push your head into your hand. Hold your breath. And let go. One more time. Let go. You should find that you are coming down a little bit deeper every single time. Take your head up. Ooh, it might be a little woozy. And take it to the other side. Take the same hand, put it on the side of your head, and push in, and hold your breath. And let go. And again, push in. Let go. One more time. It is 3 on each side. Bring your head up to the center. Woo! Okay, so now we are going to take your hands and you're going to place them underneath your skull, where your skull meets your neck, okay? And begin to massage right there. And now as you hold your hands there, you're going to take your head and drop it. Breathe out. As you breathe in, you're going to take your jaw and take it up over your top lip, like this. And let go. We're going to do this 3 times, stretching your neck. Hold your head. And one more time. And then you're going to take your hands and place them here on your forehead and drop your head into them. These are calming points. And you're going to drop your head and you're going to push your hands into your head like we were doing before. Hold your breath. And you go, breathe in, push, and let go. Drop your shoulders too. Breathe in, push, let go. One more time. Bring your head up. I feel a little bit more clear. Oh my goodness, the static has gone away. Oh my goodness, I can think again. I hope that's happening to you as well. So anytime you are on the computer and you feel, or if you're in stress in the day, you feel as if you've gotten too much going on in your head and you just can't think, do this exercise. It's also really good for headaches. So, from the state of Montana, oh my goodness, I'm somewhere in the middle of Montana. You never know where you're going to end up in Montana. And it's these beautiful open spaces. Montana has such a rich history of Native American heritage, the gold and silver rush, the rise of cattle industry, and the Lewis and Clark expedition. It is fabulous to be here in Montana. And so Also, letting you know about this beautiful sky. We have some amazing cloud coverage, and the clouds have been so absolutely beautiful here, hence the name Big Sky Country. So from the state of Montana, until next week, bye.